Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Eng-Ban's home school, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National International School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, word meaning English to Bangla, 6 to 10 CW. So let's see, my dear students, our today's class. So our today's class Junior 1, subject English, term Haveli, topic word meaning English to Bangla, 6 to 10 CW. Lecture 9, SW will be 4. So my dear students, let's see our today's class. So we will learn today word meaning English to Bangla, 6 to 10 CW. So let's learn. Number 6 is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So as this word meaning is English to Bangla, we will write the meaning in Bangla. So rabbit means in Bangla we say khargosh. So khar, goyokar and talibasha, khargosh. So rabbit means khargosh. Number 7, top. Top means latim. Top means latim. You play with the top. So top means latim. In Bangla we say latim. So loyakar and toroshikar and ma. Latim. So top means latim. Number 8, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Do you see rainbow in the sky? 7 colors rainbow. So rainbow, the Bangla meaning of rainbow is rong dhonu. So ra, onekshor, dha, noroshokar. So rainbow means rong dhonu. Ra, onekshor, dha, noroshokar. So number 9, boat. Boat. What is a boat? Boat means nauka. You can see boat in the sea, in the river, in the sea. So boat means nauka. And spelling is noroshokar koyakar. Nauka. So boat means nauka. And number 10, snacks. Snacks means we usually take snacks at the evening, at the afternoon. Snacks means halka khabar. In Bangla we say halka khabar. Ha hoyakar, la koyakar, halka khabar. Koyakar, boyakar, boyshunara. So snacks means halka khabar. So let's read again. Word meaning English to Bangla, 6 to 10. Number 6, rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Kha, boyshunara, goyokar, talibasha, khargosh. And then top. Top means latim, loyakar, toroshoi, ma. Number 8, rainbow. Rainbow means rong dhonu. Rainbow has 7 colors. Okay. So number 9, boat. Boat means nauka, okar, koyakar, nauka. 10, snacks. Snacks means halka khabar. Koyakar, lo, koyakar, boyakar, boishnora. Halka khabar. So we're reading for the last time. Number 6, rabbit, khargosh. Number 7, top. Top means latim. Number 8, rainbow. Rainbow means rangdhanu. Number 9, boat. Boat means nauka. Number 10, snacks means halka khabar. So let's see, where students, our today's SW. So today's SW will be 4. So submit on Saturday. You know, Saturday. And your SW will be word meaning English to Bangla. English to Bangla, 6 to 10. What meaning English to Bangla? 6 to 10. So this is your SW. SW4 submit on Saturday. Word meaning English to Bangla 6 to 10. Okay. So my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the school library. Guardians or anyone can come to school, can collect and submit the SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.